Hello everyone. Today we are making a video for the next week, that is starting from 18th of September, and we are making this video on Nifty. So as you can see on the chart right now, I have 1 hour chart, but let us approach it top down approach. So we'll start with monthly chart. So let me switch on to it. So now as you can see for the monthly chart, it is showing you the bullish candle. Now there are certain drawings on the chart, so let me remove it for you just for a moment. Now you can see that actually on the monthly chart, Nifty is indicating a breakout. You can see here, right? So market is in a bullish structure on monthly charts. Now let us shift on to weekly chart. Now on weekly chart, Nifty is showing you the structure, and it is making on weekly chart, it is basically making a three white soldiers pattern, so which is a very bullish pattern. Now the only issue here is the volumes on the last candle. So you can see the volume is in a bit declining phase, right? So this is something which you will see when the market wants to create a confusion in the mind of the traders. Okay, now let us shift to the daily chart. On the daily charts, you can see there has been a high pickup in the volume in the last candle, but what has actually happened here, the candle is on the green side, right? But if you'll shift on to the lower charts, lower time frame, you can see this was the last candle at 3 o'clock, and you can see what kind of heavy volume was there, right? Now if we look at the price action from weekly chart, let me shift on to that again. Now look at this, you will find what I'm talking about. Now as you can see here, you can say it as a rounding bottom pattern, or what you can see is a cup and handle pattern. People can see it in many ways, but overall market, what market is showing, it is showing a bullishness, right? Now even if I'll utilize this RSI chart along with the volumes and MACD crossovers in the volumes, you can see RSI is already picking up here, right? But the volume has been in a declining phase after August, right? So what market is trying to do, market is trying to basically create a high, right, which can actually move on up to like for around 2 months in this time frame, right? Now let me zoom it out for you, that what is we are seeing here. So three white soldiers on the chart on weekly patch pattern. So what people expect is when we get a breakout above the level of Friday's high, that is 20,222, you will get further bullishness, and the target will be for this 20,875, approximately 20,800. You can say that that will be the approximate target for the next breakout of this pattern, right? Now as you have noticed, on Friday market actually gave a negative closing in gift Nifty, because there was a sharp drawdown in US markets. So what has happened here, that actually market took a dip. Okay, now previously if you would have noticed what has happened here on this day, on Tuesday, there was a release of news whereby the Kotak that they are withdrawing all the recommendations from mid cap and small cap, and there was a huge pullback in Nifty, right? But you can see there is a wick here, so it is suggesting that there has some buying has happened at the lower levels. They started profit booking at the higher levels, but some profit booking has happened at the sorry, some buying has happened at the lower levels. Now, let us talk about the upcoming week, what we see here. Let me shift on to 1 hour chart, which will indicate you greater picture. Let me just zoom in for you to have a clear picture. Yes, now you can see. So what Nifty is doing here, here it made what you can say, a pension triangle breakout. You can see that, and you can consider it as a double bottom also, right? Now this double bottom is playing out, and currently market is still in the buying phase. But what market has started doing after moving heavily in this range, now the market has started consolidating with this particular line as a resistance line. Let me change the color for you so it you will have a better clarity. Let me shift it to, let's just say, uh, dark yellow. Okay, so this is your new resistance line that market is actually playing out right now. Let me extend it. Yes, so what is happening here, now you can see right now, initially the market was in the lower channel for this particular channel, but now the market has shifted to the higher channel. So now what market is trying to do here is it is trying to go into the consolidation till, you can see, till next Friday. So we are not seeing a huge breakout, because if market is giving gap down opening, then the next support level will be as around 20,040, and if that also breaks, the next support level will be around 19,974. So if these two level are approached by the market within 2 3 days, or you can even assume that till expiry, till upcoming expiry, then you should be buying in this region. You should be buying on the dips in this region. Definitely you should be buying on, because till the time we are not giving a closing for 2 weeks below this particular trend line, there is no chance that that market is going on the negative side. Okay, if until and unless we are getting some kind of heavy news, like India is going to war, or some that kind of situation, or India is having some kind of huge scam, till those kind of news are not coming, market is not going to give you a breakdown. Now another reason for that is pick up in the volumes. You can see here, when the market made the low here, you can see the spikes in the volume. Again, when the market made the low again here, you can see the spike in the volume. I mean, the candle is red, but imagine the kind of buying would have been done at this particular point. After that, again, after the pullback and the final breakout of this double bottom pattern, after the pullback, you can see the rise in the volume. So one buying, two buying, three buying happened at three places. Now this had been some exit by the big traders. Okay, so one exit is only done. Even now there are two exits remaining. So what you can assume is the big traders or the big investors have only just booked partial profit. They are not done with the rally in the market, right? So market is, what you can expect is a consolidation in this upcoming week, because we have some news coming from the federal Fed in the US, from the US market, right? And then we have a parliamentary session also. So market will be watching out these sessions, how they are playing out. But till the time, that market will be buy on the dips as well as sell on the rise. So both the structure will be playing out. So what you need to do is you need to sell in this range. You can consider this line as the resistance line, as well as this line as your resistance line, and you can sell out at these points. But you should be aware that you should be buying at these lines also. I mean, till the time the market is working out in this channel, there is no bearishness in the market, so buy at the dips is almost certain right now. Okay, so this is it for the view of the market. Let me clarify it to you with the diagram now. Or what you can see is, let me clarify, I mean, let me create a range for you for the market. uh, then you will have a better idea that what we are expecting here. So this is the price range that we are expecting that market should be playing out. So the range comes from 19,945 to 20,365 for the upcoming week. Why? Buy in this zone, sell in this zone, and you will be good. You do not have to worry about the trend. But just remember one thing, after the closure of the week, if the market is sustaining this particular line, then you can see again a huge breakout. Huh? Remember, because on the weekly chart, market is bullish. So if the fourth candle comes out, it will reach up to 20,800, 20,700. So you have to be aware of that at the end of the week, ultimately market has to be bullish. And if there is no negative news in the market, if the market is taking it positively, whatever the session is happening in the parliament and the Fed news, then market will go on the upside for the target of 20,800, 900. So this target should be, you should be aware of this in mind. So the selling will come. You should book, I mean, you should take sell positions, but you should be aware that you should be booking the profits. Do not go for the heavy targets in the selling side. Okay, that's it for